Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd, and welcome to another little Diamond Art Club unboxing. So this one I picked up on a destash group. So I am a huge Randal Spangler fan. I have a few of his paintings already, but I saw that someone was destashing Reading Tree, and I had to grab it because I believe it's out of stock on Diamond Art Club. So this is the only way that I was ever going to be able to get my hands on this painting. So it is a square kit, which is denoted by the square on the front of the box and also the blue colour. It is a 104 centimetre by 51 centimetre, so it's quite a long one. But let's get it out of the box and take a look. Now you might have seen, there you go, you might have seen this already be unboxed because, as I said, it's not a new one. We've even got the old toolkit, and then my phone cut out. Sorry about that. All I did was just get the canvas out. So we have the Reading Tree. Let's see if we can zoom out just a little bit so you can see this a little better. So yeah, this one's going to be a super duper long one. Because it's it's over a metre wide. So no, it's 93 centimetres by no, let's try that again. It is not, sorry, 104 by 51. I was looking at another one. So I just love the draglings. They're just my bag. So we have the old style little instruction booklet, how to diamond paint, a little discount code for the next purchase. And I don't know if there's links to the Facebook group on this. Nope, I don't think. This is the older one. So then we have the sticker sheet here. There are 47 colours. So these were before the new drills, the new fairy dust drills came in. So there are no fairy dust drills, but there's two ABs in this one. So pop that to one side. Let's take a look at the drills. And I think these are probably going to be the old style. So the newer style drills have more facets on. Cool. These have got a very chemical smell to them. I don't know if that's something that is quite common with the older Diamond Art Club kits. I've never smelt that before, so I've never noticed that in a kit before, so that's unusual. But it will go away over time. It might just be, could just be the plastic from the bag rather than the actual drills, but it's fine. It's not a problem, but it will just disappear. But I did notice that. It's the first time I've ever noticed that in a DAC kit before. So yeah, 47 colours. I'm going to try and do this so I don't unwrap the roll too much, because I've just tried to do another one and I really struggled to get it back in the box. So obviously we're going to expect a lot of browns for the tree, a lot of greens for the draglings, as well as the book that the tree is reading. There's a pink book and then a blue book. So those are the sort of colours I'm looking for. I wonder if those ABs are going to be in these lights. I reckon so. So numbers 1 and 2. So we're looking for a 129 and 132. So let's see if we can find the ABs without unraveling all of this. And that is a yellow and a lighter yellow. So I reckon it's got to be in those lights. Let's see where they are. Okay, so here is the lighter yellow. So that is going to be number 129, I think. Yep. So that's the first AB in this kit. Not a great deal in there, but I reckon 1 and 2. Yeah, we've got the 1s and the 2s in the lights up here. And these lanterns that are coming down from the tree branches. And then there's a few 1s in the dragling over here. A few 1s in the dragling over here, and there's some 1s at the bottom of the tree down here too. But in terms of the 2s, I think that they just exist in these lanterns, because I cannot see any more 2s anywhere else. So yeah, I think all of the 2s are just in the lights here. Let's see if we can find, okay, so it's an orange, not a yellow. So there is the other AB from this kit. Again, just a small bag of them, but I suppose you're not going to need many if it's just in these lamps. So yeah, as I said, I picked this up on a destash group. So this was very reasonably priced. I think I paid £40 for it, which I don't think is too bad. Let me just pop these back. There we are, the drills are now back in the bag, which will make life a lot easier with me getting this back into the box, because that's how I store my Diamond Art Club kits until I'm ready to work on them. So I'm going for a full house with the Randal Spangler paintings. What I've done is the ones, I bought some from Diamond Art Club, but I've also bought some cross-stitch patterns. So I'm going to be doing some of the smaller ones as a cross-stitch conversion instead. So stay tuned for some of those videos when I start building the drills and working on those. But for now, I just thought I'd share with you my Randal Spangler reading tree, because I love his artwork just so much that I just want all of the Randal Spangler paintings. So here we are, reading tree is the next one to be added to my collection. I hope you've enjoyed today's quick unboxing. As always, I ask, if you have enjoyed the video, please do give the video a thumbs up. It does help my channel to be discovered by other diamond painting people that like to watch this sort of thing. And also, if you are new, please hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell notification so you're aware when I next upload. And also drop any questions or comments or emojis, whatever you want to put in the comment section down below. And I'll see you all again in the next video.